Updating your profile details on Coinbase is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current and accurate. Step 1. Log in. Visit the Coinbase website or open a mobile app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access profile settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This can typically be found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select profile information. In the settings menu, look for an option labeled Profile or Personal Information. Click on this to access the details you can update. Step 4. Update your details. Edit the necessary fields such as your name, email address, phone number, or any other relevant information. Make sure to review your changes for accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your profile details, look for Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to ensure your changes are recorded. By following these steps, you can easily keep your Coinbase profile up to date. Regularly checking your information helps maintain account security and ensures you receive important notifications.